Is you all set up?
Yeah, I'm all set up. We're gonna go meet.
Don't lose it.
We're gonna go meet a Frenchman, in some
Frenchman
from
Tokyo.
some bar. A Frenchman in Tokyo who apparently is a YouTube vlogger. So we're gonna go meet him at the Isa hostel. Yeah. See what that's all about. Cheers. So what I've been calling the golden turd, I'm not quite sure what that's all about, and the Tokyo Sky Tree in the distance, which apparently is the second tallest
Freestanding tower.
second tallest freestanding structure in the world. So taller than any other building, with the exception of the Burj Khalifa.
You win.
And I can't eat his own cheese. And here we have the German. But Germans are pretty weird, so yeah. Oh.
Very strong.
Oi, what's it called again?
Marwar. This is called marwar.
Never heard of it before. And I'm a cheese guy. I'm a cheese guy too. Oh, he likes it.
Is that a what?
It's pretty strong stuff. Have you had it? The French guy couldn't eat it.
No, it's really nice.
Oh, see? People are digging it.
It's like blueberry.
It's good.
やばいよほら。
あ、本当にこれそれ一番臭いとしょ。
私もこれできる。でもこれできない。Delicious. I like this dish.
He likes it.
Very good.